Hey guys, on this episode of Super Cool, we have a 52-inch Hunter 1886 limited edition ceiling fan. This fan is featured in the Verde finish, which we don't really see too often nowadays. This fan came 100% complete, and I got it off of a listing. Seller told me they installed the fan, and they didn't like how it looked, so they just took it back down. So this fan is new out of the box. It didn't come with the box, unfortunately, but it's in good enough shape that I consider it mint condition. There's a couple of scratches on the blades, but you really can't see them when it's installed. But yeah, it did come with a voltage ceiling adapter, and it even came with a extra Verde down rod, which will definitely come in handy. Yeah, I don't remember seeing these too often when I was a kid. I do remember seeing one of them in a boutique, but it was a two-blade version and it was black. That was the only time I saw these as a kid. I believe I did see one in a movie at one point, and I was pretty fascinated with that. But other than that, these really didn't show up too often. These were really high-end fans for when they were sold. And yeah, the whole motor housing is cast iron, and surprisingly it moves pretty fast and performs quite well. It just has a regular Hunter spinner motor in there, but yeah, it does great for what it is. I'm not sure the date on this fan either. I want to say it's from the early 2000s, but I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it did come with the pull chain extension, which is on it now, but it was missing the little Hunter pendant that I think these are supposed to have at the end. But it's okay, that's not really a big detail for the fan anyway. I think these are more commonly seen in the brass finish. I don't really think we see these in Verde or black. I don't think we see them in those finishes too often. It's mainly the brass. But anyway, I'll fire it up for you. Here's low speed. Always thought it was very interesting how that pull chain came out of the bottom of the fan switch cap. But it's really a pretty fan. Really elegant and quite heavy too. This fan is on par with a Hunter original. It even has the same mounting for it. It's dead silent. I did drive a bit of a ways to get this one, but I think it was worth it now that I have it installed and running. It does have a slight wobble to it. I think some of the blades are out of clock. And here's medium. Also, I will believe that the motor housing is a slight bit bent, but I don't really know for sure. I might just be seeing things, but yeah. It does pick up speed on medium. It's kind of a fast medium for it. Excuse the dog barking. I have to go let him in the house at some point. But this thing came all packed in the box. Not the original box, it came all packed in a nice brown box. So it was taken care of pretty well. And we'll switch that to high speed. It goes quite fast, it really does. I'm gonna get the detail on this fan. It's really nice. For some reason, and I might just be seeing things again, but I have a Hunter Preference right next to me, which is also in Verde. And I think the Verde on this is a lot more, I want to say richer than the one is in the Verde. I would assume because these were more high end than the Preference was. Not sure, there's a tag up there. Not sure if it's seeable over here. I think you'll be able to see it over here. Right there. I'll put the information in the description because I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but you know, take the kind of can do a comparison over here with this Hunter Preference that I have. I wonder if you can see that too well. I think it's a, come on, focus. I think it's a little bit different than this one. Again, I could just be seeing things, but I feel like this has a lighter tone almost. But anyways, that's about it. That shot of it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.